Yesterday, Colva police have busted one sex racket which was run in one massage parlor known as Glamour. We had information that one person by name Ramesh Upadhayay is soliciting customers at Colva and he is taking the customers to that Glamour massage parlor where the sexual activities were taking place. Accordingly, we sent the decoy customer, and decoy, after striking the deal, that Ramesh Upadhayay took him to Glamour massage parlor, from where we have conducted a raid. Our team, Colva PS team, conducted raid, and two girls who were forced into prostitution and sexual activities by Ramesh Upadhayay and his partner Jinita Nayak. The girls have been rescued, and this Ramesh Upadhayay and Jinita Nayak have been placed under arrest. Further investigation is in progress. We are in the process of verifying the premises, owner of the premises, and the permissions given to that said parlor.
So this action will be continued?
Yes, we will continue the action on these illegal prostitution activities. Earlier also we had booked one case regarding prostitution.
कोणानी परमिशन दिली नाही आणि आम्ही आता पयर चर्चिला रेज इशू इन असेंब्ली आम्ही ताका एक लेटर केली आम्ही दुरींग आमच्या पिरियड आमकां दिली ना म्हणून ताका लेटर केल्या आणि तूं डायरेक्ट ताका रिक्वेस्ट केली मी तूं मातशें पुलिसांक सांगून ती बंद कर आणि
तुम पुलिसांक लेटर बी केला
हांव पुलिसांक पयलीं ओरली वचोन आम चौक पंच मेंबर वचोन ताका आमी सांगलें ताका ते ड्रग्स चलताय ते सांगलें ताका पुलिस दोनी आमी हे मातशें इशू घेवन आपण बंद केलें सांगलें पुलिस आनी काल म्हाका तो एक मेसेज धाडल्या पण वर्सा पयलीं पुलिस हॅज रेडेड वन इंडियन थिंगाची मागीर क्लब मार्गात वयर आनी आमी जेन्ना पुलिसान सगळें बंद केल्लें म्हणून म्हाका PI
फ्लॅटां चलताले
हय फ्लॅटां चलता ती ग्लेमर कितें ग्लेमर हें मसाज एज माय नॉलेज आय एम नॉट रिन्यू एनी लायसेन्सीस
तूं पुलिसांक लेटर कितें म्हूण केलें
टू स्टॉप ऑल द मसाज पार्लर ऑपरेटिंग इन Colva.